It looks like Z's device needs repair, but there's no need to worry. Help is just a few clicks away through Zebra's repair order portal, repair.zebra.com. Z is about to register for the repair order portal, unlocking access to Zebra's repair services. Let's walk through the process step by step. To get started, Z clicks the Register button on the portal homepage. Next, he enters his business email address. After clicking Next, Z checks his inbox for a verification email. He simply copies the security code provided and pastes it into the registration form. Now, Z provides his personal details, such as his name and contact information. The form is easy and quick to complete. Z continues to input information about his company. Providing these details ensures Zebra can deliver the most relevant tools and resources for his business needs. Before proceeding, Z needs to certify that the submitted email address is his company email and will be used for official business communications and transactions. Z must also agree to the terms and conditions. With all the information entered, Z submits his registration request. It's that simple. His registration is now in process. Within 24 hours, Z will receive a confirmation email granting him access to Zebra's repair order portal. Thanks to Zebra's repair order portal, Z is now equipped to get his device repaired and back in action. Don't wait. Join Z and register today for fast, reliable support whenever you need it. Visit repair.zebra.com and gain access to Zebra's repair services today.